Hi guys, thanks for watching. This is the day that we're finally doing Aunt Lisa's pink salad. I really want to do this because my kids really love this. We have it every year on Thanksgiving, and my sister makes it. So we've got a couple cups of sour cream, and I love sour cream, and then 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Might have gone over a little bit there, but I just love mayonnaise so much. And it's an interesting combination. Just kind of adds that salt, a little bit of saltiness to it. And then 1 large can of cherry pie filling, which I really love. I can just eat that straight, just all by itself. Cherry pie filling is the bomb. And so you're going to mix that stuff together and then jump ahead. Drain your Mandarin oranges, 2 cans of Mandarin oranges, and save that juice for later. I just drank it the next day when I woke up. Just give me a little sugar rush to wake up in the morning. It was really good. Or you can use it in Jello or something if you're going to be making Jello soon. And then 1 bag of mini marshmallows. So it's interesting what happens with the marshmallows. So, stir it up really good, but careful not to tear up the Mandarin oranges. You want them to kind of try to stay as whole as possible. But when we leave this in the refrigerator overnight, then the marshmallows aren't going to be chewy anymore. They're going to just kind of poof up like little bundles of Jello or something. One that escaped there. I didn't know that until later. And I'm like, ooh, little rogue marshmallow, little bugger hiding out behind the bowl. So I smoothed it out, put a little plastic wrap on top of it, and stuck it in the fridge overnight. Ha! That marshmallow. So next morning, you pull the plastic wrap off of there. And now the marshmallows are just like little balls of sweet Jello surrounded in this beautiful cherry flavored creamy sour cream sauce with little treasure bites of oranges and cherries. It's fantastic. Every year I so look forward to this on Thanksgiving. I don't know why I don't usually make it when it's not Thanksgiving, but this time I did, and it was so yummy. And then I ended up giving half of it to my neighbors, and my husband's like, "Where's that pink salad?" Oh, I gave half of it to the neighbors. Anyhow, so turned out really good as usual. It's super easy. Only 5 ingredients. It's really fast to put together. Hope you give it a try. Maybe Thanksgiving, maybe tomorrow. Thanks for watching.